Shoe rack. Wherever you need to put your shoes in the closet, have everything organized. I hope this product is right for you. We're reviewing for small spaces a shoe shelf that you could store your shoes, sneakers, boots, whatnot on a stackable system. This is one kit. Check online for further detail about the product as we're opening up, showing you how nicely it comes packed in the box. Some assembly is required, and you get an instruction guide on how simple to put the TRZZ assembly together. The unit's made of plastic. It has a number of pieces. You're simply going to follow the instructions and place together. We have one assembled, very simple to do. You simply just take the pieces, make sure you put the ones that go to the outside correctly. Give a little push in on each of the sides. You have a piece that goes towards the back. Push in. And then grab the next piece that goes like so. You're looking to put this in the hallway, bathroom, anywhere that you have your shoes and dress. You could take your shoes, hanging and so forth, and they simply just fit right on the rack, like so. How neat is that? Shoes in the closet, have everything organized. I hope this product is right for you.